There is an amazing progress at Giga Shanghai's contribution of Phase 2. It looks like the Phase 2 of Tesla's Giga Shanghai may be completed faster than Phase 1, and we just learned that construction workers at Giga Shanghai, at Tesla's Giga Shanghai factory, are celebrating today the completion of CUB3 steel structure roof, and there has been lots of progress made in the past 2 weeks. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com, as I'm going to tell you the details of the progress in China's Tesla's Giga Shanghai factory in China. Please join our community and subscribe to our channel, like this video to show your appreciation of all the people who have helped me to compile these stories to you, and let's get started. So Tesla Giga Shanghai finished construction on Phase 2's steel frame, which will contain the China-made Model Y's assembly line. From drone operator Wuwa Vision's latest aerial video, construction workers appear to have completed steel frames on both Phase 3 buildings. The next step for Giga Shanghai Phase 2 would be roof paving and placement of the floors. The building's construction seems to be moving faster than Phase 1 and 1.5. At the rate Giga Shanghai is moving, the buildings could be completed ahead of the schedule. But it is unclear whether that means Giga Shanghai could move up the production schedule of the Made in China Model Y or no. However, Tesla Fremont was also way ahead of schedule with its Model Y production, and Giga Shanghai could follow its example. As of this report, China today is celebrating a holiday, and it's unclear if construction has stopped. If it has, construction will likely pick up at the same pace once the Tesla's Giga Shanghai Phase 2 workers return from their holiday break. On the other hand, Tesla production line workers will be having an extended holiday. The recommended time to return to work was May 6th, but production line workers were told to report back to Giga Shanghai on May 9. Demand for the Made in China Model 3, Tesla Model 3, has spiked lately, as I reported yesterday that Tesla Experience Centers in China were reporting that orders were exceeding 1,000 Model Y vehicles a day. Consumers in the Chinese market are mostly interested in China-made Tesla Model 3 because of its recent price decrease. As you know, Tesla decreased the Made in China Tesla Model 3 to qualify for the government incentives, and it has lowered the price of the Model 3, which is made in China, so people can take advantage and they can receive incentives, and I reported what the price is yesterday. During the Q1 2020 earnings call, Tesla CEO Elon Musk and CFO Zachary Kirkhorn explained that Giga Shanghai has managed to decrease the cost of production while keeping the quality of the Tesla Model 3 intact, resulting in the price reduction. The Made in China Model 3 now qualifies for China's updated NEV subsidy regulations, which is New Electric Vehicle Subsidy Regulations, which capped with cars priced above the 300,000 yuan mark. With a lower price tag, the Made in China Model 3 is cheaper than ever and is working its way toward being a genuinely affordable mass market vehicle. Wuwa Vision, a YouTuber, estimated that only 30% of Giga Shanghai's Model 3 has a localized parts. As Tesla continues to localize more of its supply chain from Giga Shanghai, the price of its vehicles in China will continue to drop. Yesterday in my report, I reported that we expect that the Tesla Model 3, which is made in China, may further lower the price up to further 30% by next year if Tesla succeeds making its supply chain all localized. That means all the parts will come from China, because right now what adds to the cost is that many Model 3 parts are coming from Fremont, from the United States. The supply is still coming from the United States, and as Tesla changes that and localizes its supply chain, getting parts from Chinese manufacturers or from the Southeast Asia, that means the price will be be lowered, the transportation cost and cost of production will be lowered, and as a result, Tesla will be able to further reduce the price of Tesla Model Y electric car and make it more affordable for mass market and the Chinese electric car buyers. In the meantime, Tesla Shanghai finishes steel frame construction for Model Y building, and this is a great advance. Thanks for watching, friends. Have a wonderful day. Please, if you are here for the first time, join our community, subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell so you may be notified when I upload my 4 more stories later today. As you know, I bring a report, at least 5 stories, Tesla stories daily on this Torque News YouTube channel, and also like this video to show your appreciation of Tesmanian, who had provided this report. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you and stay safe these days.